Yo, hey yo.
Welcome back to the channel, my people. It's Wakey here. Is this the terpiest banger out there right now? Come with me to find out what this premium Canadian cultivar is all about. And shout out to Pixel Cartel, CB1 Medical, Vasco and Cipher for raising an absolute beauty. So why not sit back, pack one up and make a brew? And let's get into it. Strange Spotlight Blue Lobster by Vasco. Mon Dieu. And for the French Canadians who watch this channel, there's an abridged version of this breakdown at the end of this video. Now, Blue Lobster is up there for me. And this could be the most requested Strange Spotlight in the inbox, so here it is. And the lineage on this one is apples and bananas times eye candy. Two banger hybrids. The former has previously featured on Strange Spotlight, so check that one out if you haven't seen it already. Yeah, and this is a great cut. I mean, immediately upon opening the bag, I was slapped in the face by full-born new wave terps. Yeah, mad summery aroma with this high energy linen gas, a fresh lavender soap that is stabilized by bookends of zesty orangey citrus and peppery sweet mixed florals. It's a truly mad profile. There is a hint of yogurt or a bit of cheese hidden away there, but this only adds a creamy note. I mean, maybe even slightly leaning into vanilla. And if I were to name this strain, I think Blue Lobster would be the last thing that would come to mind. And guys, I do love this one. Now, the price aside, I'm thinking about what I use my prescription flower for. This one gives me exactly what I need. But with Blue Lobster, the experience, the aroma, I mean, even the bag appeal, it just feels elevated. I mean, the flower itself is stunning. It's iced out to the max with chunky pops of emerald green to navy blue. I mean, proper premium visuals. And Vasco are tight-lipped about the terpene breakdown, which kind of sucks for me. But they do, however, reveal the top 3 terps in this one. And they say those are limonene, linalool, and beta-caryophyllene. Now, this helps us to understand some of what may be on offer with this strain. But Vasco are really doing themselves an injustice by not publishing the full breakdown, or indeed sending them to us at Wakey. Because as we often say on this channel, it's the unique combination of these compounds working in concert that truly deliver the experience. So it's always nice to have more info than this. So with no terp wheel to discuss this week, instead here are some clips of the Vasco skate team in Barcelona on Blue Lobster boards. Now, if you didn't know that Vasco have a skate team, you can follow them at vasco.skate over on Instagram, where they put out some banger edits. Baby! So what are my final thoughts? Well, this one is awesome. Bags of flavour. And yeah, it's bang on the profile that I call that summery, freshly washed linen vibe. I mean, this type of profile is literally my favourite right now. I'm being partially sighted. I also love the brightly coloured bag because I can usually spot where I've left it. Now, the effects on this one are dreamy, floaty, pretty talkative, and for me, not couch hockey either. So, I mean, this one's great to take into nature with your favourite dry herb vaporizer. Maybe even some of your favourite people. Or even just to ground yourself and have some reflection time. So what do you guys think? Comment down below if you've tried Blue Lobster. Or indeed any of the other offerings from Vasco. I mean, they're really out here doing something unique. So big up all the crew over at Vasco, Cipher as well, of course, and Vasco Skate. And guys, don't forget the French version of this review is tagged at the end of this video, so stick around for that. Code WakeyWakey10 for your Toothless Miller by Pixel Cartel over at Amazon. Much love. Don't forget to subscribe if you vibe.
Blue Lobster. Homard bleu.